So Kalash,
Good evening.
good evening. So which toy is that? Yellow color soft toy. Very good.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Red Pratyush. And here comes Archit Pro. Good evening.
स्टाइलिश नेम मैंने रखा है और स्टाइलिश
Okay.
बना सकता हूँ मैं,
Yes, it is.
पर इससे ज्यादा पर मैं बना नहीं पाऊंगा, ज्यादा बन
Oh,
नहीं सकता।
okay.
एक स्टाइलिश नेम पूरा कितने वर्ड्स का हो सकता है? पूरे से 10 से 12 वर्ड से ज्यादा नहीं का हो सकता।
Okay. So in every class, I request you to give a different stylish name. है ना? In every class, keep on changing.
हाँ तो चलो मैं चेंज करते हैं।
Okay.
इस बार अब हाँ रीनेम में गए, सबसे पहले प्रो को हटा देता हूँ। अब लिखता हूँ
1, 2, 3, 4. So who is missing? Pratyush has come. Aditri is missing. Kalash has come. Where is Pratna?
since he can't join today.
Okay, no problem. Archit has come, Navya has come, and Dev is missing. So because,
Evening, sir.
aha, it's a very nice name, Archit, but one spelling mistake. It has to be L-E. Archit Legend. Legend. Aditri, good evening. Fine. So now we are going to start. And this is our, one moment, let me see. This is our 20th session of Extempore Ki Pathshala. And today we have 5 participants. Pratna is not going to come and Dev has not joined yet. So let's see what happens. Fine. So now who is going to start? I will tell you. Today the first speaker is going to be Navya. She is the first speaker. Second speaker is Pratyush. Third speaker is Kalash. Fourth is Aditri. And the last speaker is going to be Archit. Now you have number 1 to 5 and Navya will tell me her number.
Sir, I will choose 1.
Number 1. Navya is always number 1. And number 1 means she has got a very easy one. Narrate your last visit to a zoo. That's it. Simple one. You have to describe your last visit to a zoo.
Okay, sir.
Rules are clear. You can think for 1 minute and you can speak for 4 minutes maximum.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Yes. Dev, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Sir, can I speak?
Yes, you can start, Navya.
Yes, sir. So, hello, my name is Navya from class 4 from Desabu School of Innovation, and today I'm going to tell you about my last visit to zoo. So let's start. So at zoo, when I go, first I meet a bat. First I meet from bats. First I see bats. They was very black. Their wings was very black and was very in other shapes was of was other from their wings was other the uh, from the birds which we see in our daily life. And then I go to the snake museum, and then I see there many much snakes. There was different types of snake. Like one was we see that it has yellow strips, standing line strips on his back, and there was black any shape, black uh, dots, black patterns was there on the snake. And we see a yellow snake which was a black pattern, and many much snakes we see there. And then we go to see lions and tigers. We see many lions and tigers was coming out of the cage. The cage was open, and there was the trainer who was training them. And they was and he was also protecting us. There was anything out which protect us from them. I think that was, yes, some lions and tigers was in cage, and one tigress was there with her cub. And many lion and tiger was what yes was fighting. Many lions was fighting with each other, and cubs are playing, and many things I see there at the lion's place. Then we go to ostrich, or the very the very good part. I go there, then I see the ostrich. The egg was like this, very big leg, and their neck was very long, and their face was their all the face was very small. And there were small ostriches also, which was very cute. Then we go and see many more animals. Like we see crocodile. Many much was very dark green, which was looking like black, but was green. And many was very uh, light green. We see crocodiles, we see their babies, and many more things. And then we see many much animals. And there we see duck, and we have buy a popcorn. So when we give popcorn to the ducks, they come and eat. And many ducks was there. And we see many more animals. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Navya. With you, we have also visited a zoo, right? I was also imagining all those creatures and animals and birds. Fine. Thank you very much. Now going to our second speaker, and he is Pratyush. So Pratyush will give me a number.
Sir, fifth one.
What are the good things and bad things about zoos? Okay, so zoos are very nice. We always visit and see that place, but they also have something good and at the same time something bad. So Pratyush has to describe.
I don't like zoos.
So then it's very good for you. You tell about all the bad things about zoos, right? Good thing is that you can mention that good thing is that we can go and we can entertain ourselves for some time. That's it. Whatever bad things you think, you can explain.
So can I start?
Yes, you can start. You can start, Pratyush.
Hello everyone. My name is Pratyush Pranjan. I study in class 4. I went to Patna Zoo many times and see many animals. So I am going to talking about good things and bad things about the zoo. Zoo. Zoo is a place in which we keep animal in jail and see them and do some and also entertain ourselves. The good thing of zoo is that we when we go in zoo, if we disturb the animals, then park keepers say that don't disturb animals, they are already disturbed. But bad thing is that animals are not in their natural habitats. They are not in their natural habitats, but and if any animal wants to hunt and learn something about hunt technique, the animal also can't do this hunting technique in this thing in natural areas. The animals live peaceful on and also and in natural areas there are no much pollutions and they and nobody disturb them. So when a lion sorry when an animal don't get in natural areas, it can die earlier. So this is bad thing of zoo. Second thing is we give wild animals grass or meat ourselves. They don't in what but when it will come in their natural habitats like in forest, sands, and also in snow regions, they hunt themselves. So I think zoo is full of bad things, but some things are also good inside zoo. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratyush. Actually, keeping wild animals in captivity is really sad. They can feel good only at their original place, natural place. So that is the worst
Sir?
part of a zoo. Yes.
Sir, I speak next, but only I have learned fourth, not else.
Okay, you have learned only fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. When your term will come, I will tell you. Okay, So the next one is Kalash. Kalash, give me your number. Which number you want?
So number 2.
Number 2. And this very interesting question for Kalash. What would happen if all the zoo animals escaped into the town? What would happen if all the zoo animals escaped into the town? I think there was one movie based on King Kong and dinosaur. In that movie, that animal it comes to the town and then big problem it happens. So now Kalash will tell if all zoo animals they will come to town, then what is going to happen? What we will do? So think for 1 minute, Kalash, and then you can speak for 4 minutes.
So can I start?
Yes, start, Kalash.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kalash from Standard 6, and today I am going to speak on very interesting topic. If all the animals will escape into the town, if all the animals will escape into the town, it will be a big problem for us, and it it will be very funny too. And the people who live near forest or near the zoo from where they escape, they will be shocked, or or they, the animals can also uh, can also be, broke their houses or harm them, and we can't do anything because it will be not good or not better if we will attack on them, because they don't have sense to stop, and this can't be stopped. And animal we have, and catching that animals again to the zoo, and catching that animal will be harder for us. The life of human will in danger, and of the people from the people who have seen, who saw that, or who see that animal are rushing and there, they will also scared of them, and we can't do anything. We can't do anything about that. So I just think that animals should not be kept on zoo. Uh, for if elephant will be escape, if elephant will escape, if only one elephant will escape, it will be a reason only that he escaped, and or they were not giving the her food or anything. She escaped in anger, and she can in anger she can harm anyone, or she or he can harm anyone, Oh, any animal can harm anyone, any dangerous animal can harm, can eat a human also. So that much. Thank you.
Thank you, Kalash. So, if the animals they escape from the zoo, it is going to be challenging for both animals also and human beings also. Animals can kill human beings, and beings can kill animals. There will be a lot of damage to the buildings and shops and other establishments. I don't know if the animal is strong, they will kill men people. If they are weak, we will going to
Sir,
capture them. Ah,
sir, if there will be a mother and he have a baby, he will very dangerous.
correct. If somebody is going to touch that baby, that mother is going to kill that person. So this is going to, and I think we have seen those movies of King Kong and Godzilla and dinosaur when they come to city and how much trouble they make. Fine. So now time.
Sir,
Ah,
Godzilla, the king of monster, Jurassic Park
yes,
और King Kong.
yes.
और अब गॉडजिला की नई मूवी आएगी, गॉडजिला वर्सेस किंग कॉन्ग.
Okay, very good. Now Aditri will tell me her number.
Sir, I will choose number 6.
Number 6. Okay, number 6. I will give number 6 to Aditri. Do you think it is a right to keep wild animals in captivity all their life? Do you think it is right to keep wild animals in captivity all their life? I think
Okay, sir. So let me think.
means क्या उनको पूरे उनके जीवन के लिए ऐसा बंद करके रखना ठीक है?
Sir, you
Hmm.
have written question number 2 wrong. What would happen? It is based on question number 4.
So that is the rule of this extempore, that what number I give in the message box, I always change that, because extempore means you should not know the topic. Topic will come at random to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes. So Aditri, you can think and speak.
Okay, sir. Let me.
Okay, okay.
Sir, 1 minute.
So now can I speak?
Yes, you can start.
Okay, so hi everyone.
I am the thread in class 4 in Dizau School of Innovation, and today I am going to tell you that my topic is it is right to keep animal in zoo or in their own life. So I think, in my opinion, we should keep animal in their own life in forest where they live, where they want to live, because that we were not independent till 1947, and then we get independent, so we were very happy. And then we have to think about animals, that when we will put animals in cage, then what they will feel, they will also not feel good like us when we were in someone restriction, British restriction, we were feeling not happy. So like that, animals will also not feel happy if we will keep them in a restriction, in cage, in jail, and give them many, hurt them. So it's not good. And like eating animals, this is also not good habit. They will feel very bad. And I see some and I see some people hurt animal, and then I feel very bad that why they hurt animal. They have to love animal. If we will love animal, then animal will also try to keep ourselves safe, because that, dog is very faithful animal. They keeps our house very in, they are mainly guard of our house. So like these animals, some animals are also good in their work. So I think it's not good to keep animal in zoo, but what can zoo people do, because they have to entertain us, so they have to put animals in their cage, in their restrictions. And I see somewhere that in circus also they put animal in cages and hurt them by the by the training. So it's also not good. So I think we have to don't hurt animals. We have to love them. We have to give love. And please don't take animal far from their mothers, and their mothers. So it's not good. So I think, in my opinion, keeping animal in zoo or cage is not very good thing. So we have to put animals in their own life, in free forest, in free jungle, so they can feel good. And you know that in forest there are many trees, so also fresh oxygen are produced. So they cannot be any type. So they cannot be some type of disease of breathing, some type of problem in breathing in forest. So this was my opinion. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditri. The best part was you have done a comparison. When India was under the control of British, so how we were feeling? We were feeling bad. Similarly, when we keep animals in the zoo, they also feel bad. It was a very nice comparison to understand the pain of those animals who are living in zoo. Thank you very much. Now time for Archit. Archit will give a number to me, and then I will give him a topic. 1, 2,
Number
5, 6.
7.
Number
Number 7.
7.
What is the difference between pet and wild animals?
Okay, then you know you can start your preparation. I will type. So now we have only two speakers, Archit and Dev. So Archit will finish first, and then we will go to our last speaker, Dev.
Pet animals stay at our home like companions. Wild animals stay in forest and zoo. Pet animals are omnivorous and wild animals are carnivorous. Pet animals are not dangerous to our life. Wild animals are dangerous to our life. Pet animals are easily trained to by common people. Wild and wild animals with wild animals is animals is not possible for common people to interact. Examples like wild animals are very risky, like lion, elephant, zebra are very risky for our life. Pet animals like dog, cat are not risky for our life. Thank you.
Thank you, Archit. What I feel that long ago, when human being also was living in jungle, this civilization was not there. So all human beings, they closely watched all animals and all the useful animals which they thought they can help us either in agriculture or in our house. Slowly they became friend of those animals, and they made all those animals the pet. Like for watching the house, dog; for plowing the field, ox; for giving milk, goat and cows. So all the good and useful animals, they became pet animal, and the other ones are wild animals. Very nicely you have explained. Now coming to our last speaker.
सर
हाँ,
मैं भी पर ना एक पेट पालना चाहता हूँ.
okay, then
वो भी
you have to choose.
वो एक चाइनीज ब्रीड का पेट है, उसका नाम कोई चाओ चाओ. वो इतना क्यूट पेट है, एकदम टेडी बेयर जैसा, भालू
Okay,
जैसे को बोलते हैं ना. वो चाइनीज ब्रीड का एक वो डॉगी है.
okay. So keep convincing your mom and dad. I think your demand is going to be fulfilled. Dev, now it's your turn. You have to tell me your number.
Sir, number 4.
Number 4. And number 4 is going to be what purpose do zoos serve? What purpose do zoos serve? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हम लोगों ने जू को क्यों बनाया है, उससे हमें क्या फायदा है, किस फायदे के लिए हमने जू को बनाया है. So think about that and then you can speak. This is a big question. Why we have made zoos? What are the benefits of that?
Sir, can I speak now?
Yes, you can start.
Zoo is made for our entertainment. We see various types of animals there, lion, tigers, and some cute animals also like rabbits, turtles, and other animals. In a zoo, we feel very happy, but animals don't feel happy because they are in cage. They are enclosed in cage. Zoo is made because for keeping animals for our entertainment, and the cage is so small for animals, so they feel very dizzy the cage is so small for animals. That's what I learned, sir.
Okay, no problem. So what Dave is telling, it is all correct. I will add few more points. So one is that animals are kept in zoo for our entertainment. That is one. Second, many a times if there's an animal who was in wild, who was in jungle, but because of some reason it has come out, or maybe any other wild animal has injured him. In that case, all those injured wild animals also we bring them to the zoo to keep them safe. Because once you are injured, you cannot go back to jungle, right? Suppose there is a tiger cub, and his mother is now no more. His mother has passed away. So that cub is going to be in the zoo, safe and sound. So first is entertainment purpose. Second is to keep them safe if they have come out of jungle. Third, if we go to zoo, we see those animals, we feel an attachment with them. And then many people in our country, they donate money to protect and keep those animals safe also. So because of these multiple reasons, our government, they have constructed, they have made zoos. So today we have discussed a lot about zoos, advantages, disadvantages, last visit to zoo.
Sir, zoo
Ah.
is also useful for wild animals when they get any virus or bacteria.
So we can keep them separate and they will not contaminate, they will not infect any other animal. Yes, this also can be a
zoo
valid
को
point.
जू में एनिमल्स को इसलिए रखा जाता है क्योंकि अगर एनिमल्स को जैसे कि अगर कोई रैबिट हो या फिर उनको कोई सी बीमारी हो जाए या खाने की कमी पड़े या फिर उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हो तो उसके केयर के लिए उसको जू में रखा जाता है और अलग चीजों के लिए भी उनको रखा जाता है.
Right. If they are,
If any animal
Ah.
is lost in city, so also
yes,
like a deer is lost in city and he can't find the jungle, so
okay,
we keep him in zoo and save him.
good point, good point.
Sir, at my topic, I want to include one more point. But
Tell me.
when you give me remark after that, I think every person should think when they are hurting animal or cutting them, they should think about ourselves when we were in restriction of British. Every person should think that.
Correct, correct. Valid point, Aditri, valid point. So thank you everyone, all 6 participants for giving your views regarding the zoo. And I feel, I
और zoo में
hope,
ये भी हो सकता है फॉरेस्ट में ये भी होता है कि ना अगर जैसे छोटे छोटे जानवर होते हैं रैबिट वो सब जानवर को खा डियर इन सब जानवरों को वो टाइगर लॉयन खाने जाते हैं तो लड़ाई होती है ना.
Archit, 1 minute. Your points are very good. Your points are very good. But I request you, whenever you want to say something in this platform, please speak only in English. Because we have made it an English environment, so speak only in English. So thank you very much for giving your informations and views about zoo. We will meet again next Saturday at 4 p.m. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care and good day.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you for.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye sir, good
Navya,
evening sir.
Kalash, Archit, Pratyush, Aditri,
Good
everyone. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
So who is sitting next to Navya? What is his name?
Sir, he is my brother, Shiva
I know.
Pasekar.
Okay.